Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. Now to get started, hold your power key, and when you see your boot options you want to hold power off. This will then bring up reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And let's just wait for the device to boot back up. So that took a little bit of time, but once it booted up, as you can see, we have safe mode marking at the bottom, obviously to signify that we are in this mode. And once I unlock the device, you will be able to see that a bunch of apps became files. So in safe mode, only the pre-installed, like the default applications, are usable. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, just to help you troubleshoot your device. Now once you're done troubleshooting your device, you can go back to normal mode by holding power key once more, and this time around just simply tapping on restart. This will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. And with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.